Hey everyone, welcome back to the CodeNook. In this video, we are going to discuss the lot of things about the upcoming videos, and this is very important for the member of CodeNook because in this year 2025, we are going to launch many several courses that can be helpful for the beginners and the college student, as well as those who are want to learn the coding, right? So why this video is for you? Because many students are stuck to learning the codings because they don't understand how to install the plugins and how to install the compilers, interpreters, and as well as integrated develop environment like this. And in this new year of the 2025, we have planned a lot of things to launch on the CodeNook. Let's discuss what we offer in 2025. Firstly, we will launch the course of the Python with project, and after that Java with project, and then DBMS, and then complete DBMS. There will be the complete DBMS, and then the web development courses, and several courses I will provide like MERN. MERN is the concept. This consists of the Node.js, Express.js, and several like this. Our first launch will be the web development course, which is the biggest course, launched by the CodeNook. It consists of the complete HTML, complete CSS, complete JavaScript, and a complete MERN. And second one is the Java with project. In this courses we will discuss about the basic to advanced all the concept which is necessary for the student who can be a college student or only who want to learn the Java projects. And third one is the Python with project. In Python we will discuss the many concepts that can be essential for the beginner student, and if you are a college student, then it will be the complete video for the college student who want to learn the Pythons for the college, who can be a BTech student or a BSc student or anything else, right? IT student. Collectively we can say that the IT student. This course is for the IT student and who can learn many things, many concepts of the Pythons. And lastly but not the least, we are going to launch the DBMS course, which is the complete DBMS. If you are a college student, or if you are going to learn only the DBMS for your knowledge purpose, or you are going to learn for your showcasing the skill, this is very beneficial for you. And this by learning this course you will understand how exactly the data is storing and how exactly the work of the backend, how exactly the backend is working, what happening with your data. You will learn complete about the DPUs. Now this is the complete overview of the launch of the CodeNook in the new year 2025. So finally we are at the end of this video, and thank you for watching.